Huh? It's 11 o'clock. Yeah. Right, we've got to be quiet. It's 11 o'clock. But yeah, this is Newport Bay. This is no, I'm showing you. This is the corridor. Little compasses. There. And like, yeah, it's cool. Anyways, this is our room. Got my magic pass. Be collecting these. So, in we go. Welcome to my crib. This is our room. It's so like different to sorry, get my face in there. It's so different to Cheyenne. Like, it's more cozier. So anyway, so this is the bathroom. As you walk in, you got all your things in the safe and full like open area. And wait for it. More of these. Remember last time? My other vlogs, I went home with a ton of these. Yeah, there's more in the bathroom. There are 3. There's a hair on that. Can you see it? I do. But yeah. Oh, look at this. Cute. Not bad, not bad. Looks quite nice. I'm gonna have a nice shower in a bit as well. Shame I haven't got my walk-in shower like I did in Cheyenne. But yeah, so that's the bathroom. And it's got like a little curtain as well. Hello! And then you come into the main room. Now for some reason we have a crib in here. I don't know. Maybe the family that was in before us had babies, I don't know. So yeah, here's our bed. This is the TV. And it says, welcome, my name, Mr. So is that not big? Yeah, so it's the bed. Got hidden Mickeys everywhere in this room, isn't there? With any curtains, or the curtains come off, that's fine. And yeah, I like the borders. It's like you're on a ship. And you've got all the like different Disney characters there. No Chip and Dale though, which is a bit silly, but what you gonna do? What's the bed like? But anyway, let's down. You're awful. I want to try the bed out. A little softer than Cheyenne's. 10 times harder than Caribbean Beach. I can't remember High Park, so I can't compare it to High Park. That was a sofa bed. Yeah, that was a sofa bed. Lots of pillows, which is good. Postcards? Look at these! How cute! Look at these, this is so cute! Got Disney Sequoia Lodge, Newport Bay, which is where we're at, and New York, which unfortunately is just shut, but one may have to take these home. Why not? But yeah, that's the room. I'm not going to show you the view because it's a bit crap, unfortunately. But yeah, that's the room. And Thea's just fanning around with the camera there. I'll just let her get on with it. I'm going to open all these drawers because half of them aren't even like open. Thea, people don't want to see that. Come on, love, I'm going to do extra magic hours in the morning. Hang on. Oh, balls.
Et maintenant, mesdames et messieurs, et vous les enfants, Disney Stars on Parade!
I know the dance beat. Dancing for the camera. I know a little bit. I don't know this bit. Pete!